Okay, speak.
Alright, now that's time to make coconut milk. Okay, that's the coconut. That's the white part, the beef, the meat. So after we shred, it becomes like this. Here's a knife. Here's a whatever hard you have. So just like that one here.
Okay, okay.
So after you put all your, after you shred all the 50 coconuts, you will put inside well, we have to, from this we're gonna have the coconut milk. Now just look it.
Wow. Stronger. Look at that, it's a real milk. We don't need cows anymore. You can drink this with your cereal.
I stay
Look.
at home.
No need to go find a cow anymore. Just find a coconut.
And that's how big, if you have too much milk like this,
Okay.